YouTube channel if you're a returning subscriber, and welcome if you're new here. My name's Agneta. In today's video I'm going to do a self-care getaway vlog because as somebody who's currently living at home, sometimes you really just want to, you know, take time for yourself, go away and have a bit of a self-care retreat, and I thought it would be nice to vlog that for you because I'm going to stay at a really nice hotel called the Allen Hotel. It's a bit of a self-care refresh getaway, but sometimes you just need to take some time away for yourself to just relax, to just get yourself in a better mental health state, and that's what this vlog is going to be. I just really wanted to show you guys what I get up to, what I'm going to be doing on my little self-care retreat. If you're excited to see this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's just jump right into this vlog. So I've just arrived at my hotel room and I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a room tour before I unpack all my stuff and make it messy. Okay, I'm not going to make it messy. I don't like speaking negativity over myself. So I'll give you a quick room tour of how the room looks. It's so beautiful and creative and artistic, and I'll let you guys see how gorgeous and peaceful this room is. There's a sofa here and a table as soon as you get in, and these massive windows and the bed. There's a really cool chair. It looks like a 60s looking chair. Black and white rugs, a table, floor to ceiling windows, and a really cool industrial looking green roof. Another rug, and then when you turn to the left side, there's the bathroom, a little cabinet area with towels and a radio on top. And the bathroom is my favorite part of this hotel. Look how gorgeous the shower is. And let me just open the door a bit. The shower looks absolutely stunning. And my favorite part, the sink area. Oh my god, I love this sink. It's gorgeous. I love how pink this is. It's giving proper 60s interior design look. And the high ceilings make this feel so luxurious. Guys, I have just sat down and I'm about to call reception and ask for a robe to be sent into my hotel. I have to show you guys this iPad that they have in this room where you can call down to reception. I have never seen anything like it. It's really cool. It's like Hey Siri, but Hey Google. Hey Google, can you please call reception?
Making an audio call to reception.
This is so high-end. I don't know if I'm bush or what, but this is literally making my day right now.
Sure.
Hello?
Hi, you okay?
Hi, I'm just calling to find out is there any possibility to get a robe brought up into my room, please?
What room number are you?
207.
207.
Yes, please.
Okay, I'll have a look to see if we've got any spare, okay?
Thank you very much.
No.
So cute. Ah! The bed. I haven't tried out the bed yet. I think I'm gonna do that with you guys now. Bed test. 3, go. She comfortable. Oh.
Anytime when I see you for the club and the television, your body. Sure you don't know, say.
Andale. baby. Myself some Thai food because you can't have a self-care getaway without ordering your favorite food. And for me, my favorite food is anything Asian, and especially Thai food, Vietnamese food, Chinese food. I just love any Asian food. So I ordered myself some Thai food and we're gonna eat, relax, enjoy this day. I've got my beautiful robe on that I've been given by reception, and I'm just ready to relax, unwind, and have a lovely self-care evening this evening. I'm gonna have my dinner before jumping into the shower and doing skincare, and then I'll probably watch a film and then go to bed. One thing though that I'm thinking of doing is filming a evening routine and winter evening routine. If I do film that, you'll see it on my channel either after this video. I'm so excited to see this food. I ordered from a restaurant called Tampopo in Manchester, and that's one of my favorite Thai food, where they do a really lovely noodle curry soup, and hopefully it's as good as I remember it to be. Love a good food haul and a mukbang. The first thing that I ordered was some Thai sticky chicken wings with sesame seeds on top. My noodle chicken curry. It looks absolutely divine. Probably can't show you guys. Oh, they gave me some chopsticks, a spoon, a Sprite. My friends always laugh at me that I can't drink anything else apart from Sprite. Everywhere I go, my drink order is always a Sprite. Team Sprite, stand up. If you're a Sprite babe like me, comment down below. I feel like Sprite is the most elite drink that's out there. If you agree and you're a Sprite babe, let me know, because you are a real one. You're a babes with a palate taste. Oh, it's so good. And here's my chicken noodle soup with a lime and my beautiful... It's been such a long time since I last done a food mukbang on my channel. Oh, guys, do you know when a meal hits so different than it usually does? And this is exactly what this chicken noodle curry is doing to me right now. This is one of my favorite dishes, but today for some reason it tastes better than usual. I don't know what they done to it, but it's hitting the right spot. Maybe it's because I haven't eaten anything all day. Do you know when you're so hungry and food tastes better than usual? That's what's happening right now. But anyway, I don't know what to talk about in mukbangs anymore. Like, I haven't done a mukbang in nearly 2 years. But latest update recently is I'm in absolute love with TikTok. I know people are probably going to be thinking, girl, you're a bit late. But over the last 2 weeks, I fell in love with watching TikToks. Like, the amount of creative people that are on TikTok now, it's a joke. Like, the content creation game is on a whole different level on TikTok. TikTok is so entertaining, and the algorithm knows exactly what you're going through. I actually feel like there's a conspiracy theory I have regarding my phone listening to me, because the algorithm, especially on TikTok, is crazy accurate. I'll literally be sat in bed thinking about something, and then all of a sudden I'll go on TikTok and the exact thing that I'm thinking of, or the X that I'm missing, or whatever, a post regarding that will come up on my TikTok page. I feel like the algorithm on TikTok is actually quite scary how on point it is. But I still use it, and yeah, I love it. Moral of the story is I love that app. But I just feel like you have to have a lot of personality to do really well on TikTok, or just have a lot of drama going on in your life. And unfortunately, we're a drama-free zone here. There's no drama going on in my life, really and truly. I've really been enjoying watching people share their personal lives on TikTok, like stories that are happening in their personal lives, because they're really interesting to watch. Some of the TikToks that people create. Okay, if you learn anything from this vlog, please try the noodle chicken soup from Tampopo. The best meal I've ever had in my life. Okay, that's a stretch, but it's one of the best meals I've ever had in my life. The first thing I do when I get into the shower is wash my face. I use the Clinique All About Clean liquid facial wash to wash my face. It's such a gentle yet effective face wash, and it's definitely been my favourite cleanser of 2022. To wash my body, I use my exfoliating gloves and my Sonia de Provence Lemon Mint Citrus Shower Gel, which I purchased from TK Maxx. And I have to put the girlies on. TK Maxx has some of the best shower gel products, body washes, body lotions that I've ever tried. I use my exfoliating gloves on a daily basis. I know not everyone's going to be a big fan of this because exfoliating gloves are quite abrasive. However, for me, I don't feel clean unless I've used my exfoliating gloves. They get rid of all the dirt, sweat and dry skin, and they leave my skin feeling so fresh and healthy when I come out of the shower. For my feminine hygiene, I've been using the Dove Sensitive Skin Hyperallergenic Beauty Bar, which is unscented. It's one of the top recommended vaginal soaps by gynecologists. For my hair removal, I use the V Pure Inspirations Hair Removal Cream. I feel like using a hair removal cream is a lot more effective than shaving. To finish my evening winter shower routine, I use my Opatra London body scrub. I know what some people may be thinking, girl, you use exfoliating gloves and a body scrub in one routine? But for me personally, I love a lot of exfoliation of my body. It really makes me feel clean and it removes all the dirt and sweat off my body. And with the Opatra London body scrub, although it's a scrub, it also consists of a lot of mineral oils, which leave my skin feeling very hydrated after I come out of the shower. For my underarm deodorant, I layer 2 deodorants. I first use my Share Cool Blue roll-on, and I layer this on with my Dove Original deodorant spray. I personally prefer doing this because I feel like it prevents me from sweating for a longer period of time and leaves me feeling fresh, and I just feel more secure by having 2 deodorants on. Moving on to one of my favourite parts, which is skincare. I'm currently using the AHC Natural Essentials Face Mask. Currently, since turning 25, my skin has gone towards the dry side, and I really wanted to focus on hydrating and nourishing my skin, and the AHC Natural Essentials Mask is really good for dry, rough skin. To moisturize my body, I use my Botanica coconut oil body butter. It comes in such a large bottle for $5.99, and I purchased this from TK Maxx. Like I said earlier, TK Maxx is my favourite place to buy my body lotions and my shower gels. They're really good brands which are effective and they smell absolutely amazing. I then use my Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula body oil. I personally like using a moisturiser as well as a body oil because it allows the moisture to last longer. I then just take some time to unwind and relax and watch a film whilst waiting for the face mask. Once I remove the face mask, I rub the excess hydrating liquid into my face. I then use my Vichy Skincare Purifying Pore Tightening Lotion. This is an absolutely amazing product for individuals with large pores such as myself. my skincare serums, I use my retinol 0.5% in Squeeline, which helps to exfoliate my skin and increase the collagen production. To moisturize my face, I use my Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizer and my Wella Skin Food Rich Intensive Skincare Lotion and my Genesis Alginus Anti-Aging Cream. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please don't forget to take some time to enjoy some self-care treatments, especially when you're feeling low or when you're feeling unproductive. Sometimes it's nice to just unwind and take some time to look after yourself.